how to check the Russell 2000 ETF dividend history or historical data.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Our
first website is stockanalysis.com. If you click on the second tab, which says dividends, you can see that they have paid an annual 4.8% of a share of $2.43. And currently, this is priced in at $50.74. You can scroll down and see their dividend history. As you can see, it's fairly recently launched of this year of 2024. The next website is StockScan. Again, you can even type in the ticker symbol. In this case, it's IWM. It's the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, or you even have the NEOS Russell. You choose, and you can scroll down and click on the last tab which says dividend history. As you can see, the annual dividend is $3, very close to what we have here. So you have two different websites. I'll leave links down in the video description.com or down below completely for free. I'm out.